So hey guys, welcome back to another new video, that is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Today we are going to review it. It comes with the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Striking symmetrical design returns with one major difference: recycled and eco materials for metal frame to the glass finish. It polished with fresh new colors inspired by the nature. Note signature tool comes in build. The build is a pen, keeps legendary and note alive. Plus it helps to ditch, so eco friendly. Now move to the next one, that is I will tell detailed review of this. You don't need to skip. First, move to the inside the box. It comes with a manual, phone eject pin and S pen, USB cable of type B to type C. Introducing Samsung S23 Ultra. It comes with 20% of recycled material, more eco-friendly documentation, USB type C to type C, quick wide, feels premium, slightly better, thicker than S22, 6.8 inches full HD plus. Ports and buttons, talking about it, is pen, USB, and it is not available in audio jack of 3.5 mm. Noise cancellation microphone in upper side and nano SIM tray. Downside, metal frame and back and front with Gorilla Glass Innovative 5 with Snapdragon 8 Gen plus 2. Case of wallet with bigger camera modules. 1750 nits brightness, 6.8 inches full HD dynamic AMOLED display of 240 Hz refreshment rate of 120 Hz refreshment rate dynamic display. Gaming curved display, we can play very heavy gaming. Now talking about its specification, it comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen plus 2 4nm, made for the Galaxy, 12GB 256GB base variant, up to 1TB storage, 50-watt wireless charger and 5000 mAh and 45-watt charger with adapter. It comes 4 major updates, that is 4 years major updates and 5 year security updates. Stereo speakers with multimedia, ultrasonic sensor fingerprint. And talking about its camera, mainly the primary camera comes with 200 megapixel 12 MP ultra wide and 10 MP telephoto and 10 MP telephoto and 10 MP periscopic. And that as I already mentioned you, that is the primary megapixel comes with 200 MP and front weight 16 MP, that is selfie. You can shoot and record the videos with nice with the perfect with the Galaxy, and you can share it with quick, no need. It is the best phone of the 2023 year. As I already told, camera, that is 200 megapixel. You can see I have mentioned everything detailed. Do not skip the video. Please like, subscribe if you are new. You can do 8K video recording with 30 fps. So many. As I already told, you can shoot 2K into wider FHD for a stable camera with 8K and 30 megapixel. 30 fps. So you can buy this camera and you can see the quality of detailed 200 megapixel of high resolution of photo. You can see, and I am showing here zooming. It is the best camera phone with the budget of 1,25,000 of price. So I hope you have liked this. You can share. And the last one has a follow about it. It comes with a night graph, and one more thing, that is it comes with a gaming. It can play heavy gaming. We have tried PUBG, Call of Duty and BGMI, many other games. It plays very smooth with the high resolution, and you can record the video with aluminum frame, cornering of Gorilla Glass, 8K 30 fps, selfie, 16 megapixel, photography, smooth gameplay. So I hope you have enjoyed the video of the fastest processor. Thank you so much for it. Make sure subscribe, like. Thank you so much for it. See you in next video.